Hey everyone, and welcome back to another Bitcoin portfolio update. So, if you guys are familiar with this playlist that I'm creating, it's to keep track of weekly updates on my Bitcoin swing position with the goal of just holding on to BTC throughout this entire, or as far out into this entire bull market that we are currently in. And as I'm recording, it's July 5th, so Friday, and this is where Bitcoin currently sits at. It's at $56,529. We're still holding on to 1.139 Bitcoin, same as last update. But there is one thing I want to say is that due to, I'm gonna get into in a moment in more detail, but due to, in my opinion, Bitcoin being in the 50s after making an all-time high of like the high $73,000. And by the way, we're currently down just over $15,000. I invested 80,000 into this trade before fees, and this all-time high is wrong. If you guys look at my last video, I kind of talk about how Bitcoin on the app, or Coinbase on the app versus Coinbase on the website, is doesn't the information's different. It's really weird. We actually are not up 5,000. We are actually down $15,000 as of the moment we're recording this. Average buy of 70,000 or low $70,000, and then with the 1.139. So we're currently sitting at current prices. We're down just about $15 at $15,000 at 64,282. So what I was gonna say is, and I'm gonna make another video after this, kind of describing um, why it's such an important time for Bitcoin, many other cryptos as well, but specifically Bitcoin. Is that we did fall. If you guys look at my chart planning videos, you know that we're ideally tracking a one more low scenario, which we can actually remove this, or actually I'll remove it on the video I'm gonna create. But we were ideally looking for one more low into this purple fib extension area to confirm um, a proper three-wave correction, and it did. Bitcoin did fall a whole lot more, and now that we are, we're still in the middle of this bull market, and Bitcoin has fell so much significantly. I think we're about 2 days or 2 to 3 days into this drop right here. It's such an amazing time to, if you haven't started accumulating Bitcoin, to start accumulating or add more to your position, which is why, due to these insane drops in price and due to how much upside we see Bitcoin, I see Bitcoin personally reaching $100,000 at least by the end of this year, and that is not my bull market top expectations. I believe it's going to go a lot higher than this. But the point I'm trying to make is that besides being down 15,000, and the goal of this portfolio with Bitcoin is specifically to swing trade it towards the later stages of this bull market, to really take advantage and say that I've been invested in Bitcoin throughout this historic bull market, because this is going to be the first bull market and the only bull market that Bitcoin's ever going to reach $100,000. It's the first time in history. It's kind of like saying, or being there when Bitcoin. I wish I was not there, but it's like the people that were invested in Bitcoin before it reached $100. Same with people that when it first hit $1,000, and so on, and first 10,000. This will be the first time Bitcoin's gonna hit $100,000, and probably the only time it's gonna hit 100,000. But this is why we really want to just focus on accumulating more Bitcoin in this portfolio, being part of that first $100,000 um, price appreciation in Bitcoin, being there when it does that, and then celebrating by slowly taking some profit as we go further into the bull market and surpass 100,000 by much more. But my expectations are, if Bitcoin continues to hold the $50,000 area, rather it's high 50,000s or low 50,000s doesn't matter because we hit this purple fib already. What I plan on doing personally is accumulating more Bitcoin. Since I have 80,000 invested, I may later into next week add, so like a week from now, add another 10 or 20,000, ideally 20,000, so we can have 100,000 invested before hitting 100,000. So that's kind of what I'm looking at. So if Bitcoin continues to stay low for like another week, I'll go ahead and add some more, and I'll do an update on that, a week from now, and we can maybe potentially, instead of just having 80,000, have 100,000 invested into it. That's just what I'm looking at it, how I'm looking at this more longer term swing trade. Uh, yeah, I hope you guys are accumulating Bitcoin as well. I hope a lot of people, you guys are taking advantage of this amazing opportunity we have here in this new technology, sort of new now, but I think it's an amazing moment, just an amazing, very, 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 very clear opportunity. There's so many good opportunities in so many markets to like buy something before it appreciates a ton. I feel like no opportunity ever has been, unless we have like a massive 50 plus market crash or something, but seeing Bitcoin, at current levels where it's at right now, man, I don't think the opportunity can get any more clear than this to finally start buying in. So I hope you guys are taking advantage of this. I really do. I really hope that maybe a lot of the Bitcoin naysayers are starting to turn around, or at least seeing this as clearly as an opportunity as I'm seeing this. I'm just very excited. I can't wait to see what Bitcoin's going to keep doing throughout the rest of July, and then how it's going to appreciate from here on. We have our short-term expectations. I'm gonna make a video about that right after this. But guys, this is quite a moment to start accumulating and add more to your BTC collection. Or, and if you don't have any, it's the perfect time to start buying, because this is gonna go away very soon, in my opinion. So yeah, that's just what I'm thinking about with Bitcoin right now, and a little dive into my swing trade that I have. And again, guys, if you use Coinbase, and I really like this platform, and I plan to keep using it for a while, but if you like it, let me know if you guys notice a difference between the Coinbase app and the website, because my numbers are very, very different. If you look at my last uh, Bitcoin portfolio update video, I show you guys my phone as well. It doesn't make sense. My phone is accurate. It shows that I'm actually down 10 plus thousand% on this position, but on the website version it says I'm actually up, which doesn't make, unless it's adding all my other trades I've done with Bitcoin this year, it could be. But on my current position, the phone version is more accurate. I don't get it. But I have some links down below, some social medias if you guys want to check it out. I would really appreciate you guys a follow. It really motivates me more to make more videos, and it shows appreciation on that you guys like my content. And I hope you guys have a great day.